They say that an intoxicated driver lost control and hit a Chevy Tahoe head-on, ejecting the driver from a black Nissan crossover and immediately resulted in his death. His life perished. Bystanders tried to give him CPR, but they realized it was too late.
2 cars badly wrecked in this horrifying accident, leaving 1 dead and several sent to the hospital. Police still can't get an idea of what exactly happened. Detectives are on the scene right now, tracing every cubic inch, trying to gather information of what exactly led to this horrifying crash. Witnesses pulled to the side say that one driver lost control, probably intoxicated, and full speed collided with the white Chevy Tahoe. And no wonder there's a body laying next to it covered in the white sheet, as you can see right here.
It happened here in Sunrise area going north on University Drive between Oakland Blvd and Northwest 44th Street. Sunrise Crime Scene Investigation is out here determining exactly what happened, and we'll update you with more information. As always, thank you so much for watching. The area here has been closed off, but now it is open. Drivers and anyone can now travel north and south University between Oakland Blvd and Northwest 44th Street. As always, thank you so much for watching. John Stop reported from Sunrise area of South Florida, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.